To upgrade your floors in your home, a great choice is luxury vinyl planks or tiles. They give the appearance of hardwood or ceramic tile without the expensive cost. The benefits are they are 100% waterproof, highly resistant to scratches, soft underfoot, non-slippery, and won't crack if you drop something on them. We can usually go over the existing flooring, but are ready to remove the old flooring if necessary. And yes, we do move the furniture. We also install the finishing touches like wall base, quarter-round moldings, and doorway transitions. Most jobs are completed in one day. Our certified and highly experienced installers properly stagger the planks and lock them tightly in place, as you can see in these videos.